Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a quick unboxing and assembly guide for our small galvanised chicken feeder. Okay, so it will arrive like this in a small card wrap. And you'll receive two side panels, the roof panel and the base panel. So once you've got the parts, you're going to need a small hammer. This is a metalwork hammer, you don't really need that, you can just have a normal hammer. And I'm going to use a piece of wood so I don't damage this table. So all you do, you take the base panel and simply fold it by hand. So you've got 90 degrees, so you're going to make that shape. You take an end panel, you simply slot that on there. And it will slot through like that. Then all you do, you take your hammer and we're going to bend these round. It's a very simple process and you can take your time. You can see that was very easy to do. So I'm pushing down just to maintain it. That's on there very securely, and we're going to do the same for the other side. Then once you've got that shape, we're going to put the roof on. So you take the roof, we're also going to go to that angle. You can slot the roof on. And then same again, push down. There you have it, fully assembled, nice small little chicken feeder. So once you've finished the assembly, it's going to be a small, strong, lightweight little chicken feeder, and hopefully it gives you many years of joy for you and your chickens. So thank you very much. If you want to see our full range of chicken feeders, please visit indooroutdoors.co.uk.